Warga Batisi TV.
Pelaj tu pernah. Perai.
Oh, anak slot dah. Kau mau buat leader yang doper ngangkat reha, ngangkat reha. Anak slot
Lawa nanti.
Udah slot suki hajai.
Kan tas pedang.
Sedang rai. Wan mah udah deh itu slot.
Mama dan tu cukup.
Dia mai lagi.
Mrad Khlaw blatip hakatin nongwe kumuslo lores ubadeiru umarat ubarajan dojat haka step jangkalai trik urusau arajar pausan ulapoi rung hakowe ke Ïing Briew badan hapo ka shnong Mawïong Lumsyntiew kowe nigi shnong ka badan hapo ka sonong stan West Khasi Hills District Mrad Khlaw ularung hapo ka Ïing sa jongba tripol nong siet bagakong skola yaw pnyau hak bag layo sngow yaka jingpa shikibinta gi bashajrong jong gatunum Ïing mat kadaya ka por saw bajemen stem kilio ipen ban Mrad Khlaw slolores bularung shapo ka Ïing kakum gajinga thu jong gitra Ïing laong bakim shim latip na yo satya na Mrad ularung Hendrik Shuyo bola dan hapo Ïing kum takla kem baset no ya we ni kirang ba jong gshnong uba age thongni ula pintip shu nong lum kubo jong ka Batisi TV but ula pintip shiginong tray jong gatanat wildlife mat kham hadin dalaban Aiti no yu uslo lores shiginong tray gatanat wildlife ban plat biang ya usha Khlaw
Kang ya pat kitong song na nomor ulas na ang urus apo budi tarik we.
Uang aja mah.
Bung hatung ti wan ti tagana kon kadona ko ang ni tagari ta biam do lingai et ko da ka kinsa chirau bikan ke jirai ta chirau da tong ani idang mo pidu ye to ta ki te man tanda wana kendang da ong kemari ong kami jang wadang kai ber ko na ong muzat ye ta man ilar ri rumai tu nada kisah rak macam kita
Kita kong.
Ani amang wa. Ani usno da manda.
Pakai bahasa nah.
Dane.
mata tu dia pakai ya tu
Mata chu am ka te.
Siya.
Ngi hat ne pha ka ngi.
Ni hak ni
Hai làm này.
Arman ayu.
Hai làm này con.
Kong pai hak ni aru ya.
beri alam begitu
Lebih keluh jai ka wa. Ai ulah permen ong permen.
Bam hujan weh.
bam kejam
Hello.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.